Hi Noura.
Hi Raneem.
Happy Women's Day.
Oh, thank you. Happy Women's Day.
At the CBD project, there are more than 2,000 Egyptian and Chinese women working in different roles: engineers, translators, accountants, and so many more.
They have achieved incredible milestones and made remarkable contributions. Some of them have dedicated 7, 10, even 30 years to the company, bringing their leadership commitment to the project.
So today is our day.
Our celebration, so let's make it special together. And the first step of today's celebration is the attendance signing.
Our company leader shared his warmest holiday wishes with all of us. He recognized our hard work and dedication to the CBD project. We are the brightest she power in the project. And we got some lovely gifts. A big thank you to CSCEC for making this Women's Day so special.
Chinese and Egyptian women came together for a meaningful discussion, sharing stories of inspiring female icons from both countries.
And now, it's a flower arrangement DIY time.
We pick our favorite flowers and make our own exclusive bouquets.
Happy International Women's Day!
And now we're going to the Cairo Tower. Come with us to enjoy the beautiful views of Cairo. Just like the lotus crown of the Cairo Tower, our CBD project embraces the elegance of the lotus.
Noura, let's go quickly.
Let's go! Let's go!
Wow, this is the first time I have been here.
Wow!
It's so amazing. It's beautiful.
Yes. Wow! Yeah. Can you see the pyramids?
Wow.
Can you see? Can you see them?
Yeah,
They're very far.
Oh, yes, it's there.
Yeah.
Oh, let's
We had the best time today. Beautiful flowers, heartful conversations, and stunning views all around. Truly an unforgettable Women's Day.
Wherever they go, they leave a lasting impact through their intelligence, dedication, and hard work.
Today we have celebrated the unsung heroes who made this incredible project happen.
See you next time!